iQOO Z3 fully loaded. iQOO. 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 iQOO Z3, fully loaded. iQOO. iQOO Z3, fully loaded. iQOO.
Welcome all. In light of the current situation, we have made sure that there was no physical gathering in this launch event. We value the health and safety of our employees and partners, and iQOO India is proud to bring you the launch in a format that has never been seen before. We hope all our fans and viewers are keeping safe, staying indoors, and getting themselves vaccinated. Stay strong, and let's break the chain. On that note, please join me in welcoming, for the very first time, in a virtual avatar, Gagan Arora, Marketing Director, iQOO India. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us today. On behalf of the iQOO India family, I welcome all the viewers for joining us today from different parts of India. Before we proceed further, I would like to announce that as part of a mega giveaway, 30 lucky viewers stand a chance to win the iQOO Z3 devices. All you have to do is answer all the 6 questions that appear on your screen and share the responses on Twitter using hashtags shown below, and don't forget to tag iQOO India Twitter handle. iQOO, iQuest on and on. More performance, more power, and more innovation. We promise to redefine your smartphone experience with every new smartphone, irrespective of the price point. Few weeks back, we launched the iQOO 7 series and redefined the flagship smartphone experience with extreme performance, ultra gaming, and flagship camera experience. The iQOO 7 series was the first smartphone to break the myth that performance-centric phones do not have great cameras. In fact, the camera experience impressed even top photography enthusiasts. iQOO 7 is the highest rated 5G smartphone on Amazon between 30 to 40,000 segment and the best-selling 5G smartphone on day one. This is the testimony of the love we are receiving for the iQOO 7 series. On behalf of the entire iQOO team, I am grateful to all iQOO users who have placed their confidence in us. It is also a great responsibility for us to ensure we build and ensure great experiences for our customers, and we are continuously working towards that. But that's enough about the iQOO 7 series. Today, we are going to redefine the mid-range category. Today, we are going to rewrite the definition of performance smartphone for the Gen Z. Let's take a look at this short video.
Why do I quest? Because endurance makes you sharper. It gives you the strength to move beyond physical pain. Nothing is impossible if you just keep trying harder. I quest to give my all to the game. I'll break boundaries and go beyond for the ultimate win. I am Neeraj Chopra and I quest on and on.
That was Neeraj Chopra, Indian athlete and Asian Award gold medal winner. And he's a proud Gen Z who does not believe in the path chosen for them by someone else. They don't seek either conventional careers or linear paths. They believe in experiences, learning by trial and errors, or simply by experiments. But they hate being regular. They are on a quest to discover themselves. And we believe this quest is going to bring out future mavericks, creators, leaders, and innovators. Here is a montage and ode to Gen Z mavericks who you love, admire, and follow. Let's hear from them why they live life fully loaded.
The selfie generation is what they call us. For them, we're hangry, lazy, and spoiled brats. Who are we really? We don't fit in a box. In fact, there is no box. We ain't just dapper and lit. We carry our sense and wit. We try, we fall, we do it all. They call us Z, but we do everything from A to Z. Our world is flat and round and square. Yeah, say that's rare. We've got the moves, we love the thrill. We're ready to go for the kill. We move, we spin, we play for the win. We're basic, we're extra, we're woke, forever in vogue. We are Generation Z, fully loaded.
Razor-sharp focus on performance and redefining experience is what makes us unique. That trend will continue today also. I'm super excited to tell you that just like the iQOO 7 series, the iQOO Z3 is going to be the fastest 5G smartphone in its category. iQOO Z3 is going to be the first phone in India to have the Snapdragon 768G 5G processor along with superior camera capabilities. In short, blazing fast performance and future-ready connectivity. A fully loaded device. When it comes to gaming, that's fully loaded too. iQOO is committed to providing an immersive and unparalleled experience. My friend Shankar will take you through the number of innovations across liquid cooling, haptics, or UI, which we have integrated in iQOO Z3. I'm super excited to tell you more about the fully loaded iQOO Z3, but Shankar is the right man for the task. So without further delay, let's welcome Shankar on stage.
Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us here. So without taking much of your time, let's get started with an exciting new product specially designed for our Gen Z consumers. The iQOO Z3. Our definition of a fully loaded smartphone. And this is what it has to offer. The all-new iQOO Z3 comes with India's first Qualcomm Snapdragon 768 5G mobile platform. This is a 7nm processor. This state-of-the-art chip adopts a 3-cluster architecture of CPU Kryo 475. It has ultra-high prime core with a clock speed of 2.8 GHz to perform all the heavy-duty gaming scenarios, whereas the 2.4 GHz of gold and 1.8 GHz of silver cores are more than enough to run the daily use applications. These dominant frequencies are similar to the flagship level. Snapdragon 768 5G has improved CPU and GPU performance by up to 15% compared to its predecessor, which is Snapdragon 765G. Not just that, it has LPDDR4X RAM, and flash memory of UFS 2.2. This perfect trio can boost the overall performance to the next level. And I'm thrilled to tell you that iQOO Z3 has a score of 450,000 plus on AnTuTu. And this is a massive jump in terms of performance, which makes it the fastest 5G smartphone in the segment. Along with the great hardware, we have also fine-tuned every technical front through software. To provide great user experience, we are introducing extended RAM technology in iQOO Z3 as well. It uses innovative algorithm to use a part of ROM that work as a RAM. Simply put, with this added 3GB, the 8GB RAM can give you the equivalent experience of 11GB of RAM. This ensures a smoother and lag-free experience while retaining up to 20 applications simultaneously in the background. The iQOO Z3 is also equipped with 55-watt flash charge technology that can charge up to 50% in just 19 minutes and a full charge in less than an hour. Additionally, it is loaded with a whopping 4400 mAh battery, can give you 12.6 hours of binge watching or 5.8 hours of uninterrupted gaming, and the list goes on and on. We talked about the performance, but what is a good performance without a great display? So we have designed the iQOO Z3 with an ultra-high 120Hz refresh rate display. It is super smooth compared to a normal 60Hz display. Along with that, you are getting DCI P3 wide color gamut, HDR10 support, and 401 pixel per inch for an immersive visual experience. To summarize performance bit, it has India's first Qualcomm Snapdragon 768 5G mobile platform, combined with LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2. The segment-leading 55-watt flash charge with whopping 4400 mAh battery, 120Hz refresh rate and extended RAM technology. A powerful chip and a smooth display will definitely help you to boost your gaming performance. But is it enough? For example, in a heavy-duty gaming scenario, when you use your phone continuously for a longer period, it tends to get heat up, which lead to the dropping of frames. But with iQOO Z3's 5-layer liquid cooling system, you don't have to worry anymore. Let me explain the technology, how it works. So according to the heat transfer path, the heat is mainly generated by the CPU, which is efficiently absorbed by the thermal conductivity gel. And it further transfers the heat evenly through a cooling copper foil covering front and rear side of the motherboard and a 73 mm ultra-long liquid-cooled copper tube. Finally, the iQOO Z3 quickly releases the absorbed heat to the outside through the graphite sheets, which has a total area of 5814 mm². Thanks to its 6 temperature sensor to monitor the heat source inside the mobile phone. With all of this, iQOO Z3 core temperature can be reduced by 10 degrees Celsius. Moving ahead, for gamers, we have integrated a 180Hz touch sampling rate. By upgrading both hardware and software, we have optimized the entire process between the moment when a user touches the display and display makes the response. It gives you the lightning touch response of just 8.6 milliseconds. Now every action is ultra responsive to increase the winning possibility in most intense gaming situations. Our software is also ready to excite you with multiple gaming features, and one of them is Eagle Eye Enhancement. It works with local tone mapping, color enhancement, memory color protection, and detail sharpening to optimize the effects and gives you an immersive experience while playing the games. Spotting an enemy is much easier than before. During our consumer interactions, we found that when people are making calls, playing games, and swiping microblogs, some areas are always blocked, which leads to a drop in the network signal of mobile phones. Thus, the iQOO Z3 uses the same level of antenna system as our flagship iQOO 7 series, which enhances the mobile phone signal under various grip gestures, such as horizontal and vertical, to have a better network connectivity. To summarize the feature that will improve your overall gaming experience, the iQOO Z3 comes with 5-layer liquid cooling system, 180Hz touch sampling rate, eagle eye enhancement, and all scenario antenna. As we say, iQOO stands for extreme performance and ultra gaming experience. But that doesn't mean that user has to compromise on the camera. In fact, we have developed a triple rear camera setup with a 64 megapixel main camera supported by GW3 sensor, along with ultra wide angle and macro lens, which not only helps you to capture clearer and detailed shots, but also provides the super large field of view with 120 degree and enable the user to explore wonderful world with macro lens. Let me show you some of the amazing pictures shot on iQOO Z3. On the top of that, we are bringing you the support of some flagship camera features. With iQOO Z3, user can record 4K videos at 60 FPS. Now create striking personalized video with amazing 4K clarity at stable 60 FPS. Experiencing a high definition detail with more stability compared to 4K at 30 FPS. To further improve your videography experience, it has EFB, eye, face and body autofocus tracking. iQOO Z3's rear camera can track the object while recording a video with just double tap on it. Our industry-leading intelligent AF tracking algorithm is supported by excellent hardware and updated software. It delivers the level of clarity you wish for and lets you enjoy spotlight moments. With iQOO Z3, you can now reinvent your night photography as well. Its Super Night mode uses a new night algorithm to provide you with perfect night shots. And to further improve your low light photos, we have added some amazing light filters as well. Talking about the design, the iQOO Z3 is compact and convenient to use. The back of the phone is 3D curved, fits smoothly in the palm of your hand. At the side, the 2.75 mm ultra narrow mid frame brings a waistline that symbolizes speed and performance. Whereas the combination of 8.5 mm thickness and 185.5 gram weight gives you the ultimate lightweight control. iQOO Z3 comes in two striking colors, Ace Black and my favorite, Cyber Blue. Now let's see everything that iQOO Z3 can do.
iQOO Z3, fully loaded. iQOO.
Let us recall all the amazing features that iQOO Z3 offers you. Extreme performance with India's first Snapdragon 768 5G, segment-leading 55-watt flash charge technology, 120Hz refresh rate and extended RAM, along with amazing gaming features like 5-layer liquid cooling system, 180Hz touch sampling rate, eagle eye enhancement, which will take your gaming experience to the next level. And in terms of photography, a 64MP triple rear camera accompanied with many professional features will truly make it a fully loaded smartphone. Now, it's time for the most awaited moment of this launch, price reveal. And to do so, I would like to give the stage to Gagan. Thank you all.
That's the fully loaded iQOO Z3, delivering extreme performance coupled with ultimate gaming. iQOO is committed to India, and we were the first one to bring the Made in India 5G smartphone in 2020. Similarly, iQOO is committed to the best experience. We understand that many of you are worried about not having the first-hand experience before buying it. Not anymore. For the first time ever, we are bringing a 7-day no question asked return policy for iQOO Z3 on Amazon.in. If you are not satisfied, we are not satisfied. We offer you a 100% refund guarantee. For more details, you can stay tuned to our official pages. Now, let's reveal the price of iQOO Z3. The iQOO Z3 will be available in 3 variants. With 6GB RAM and 128GB storage at just Rs 19,990. With 8GB RAM and 128GB storage at just Rs 20,990. With 8GB RAM and 256GB storage at just Rs 22,990. To sweeten it further, here are the exclusive launch offers. iQOO Z3 will be available for purchase on iQOO.com and Amazon.in starting today. So here it is guys, the all-new iQOO Z3. Thank you for joining us for the launch today. Stay safe. iQuest on and on.